Slingui pathways are structured exercise trails designed to boost student engagement outside the classroom through a more gamified learning experience. When you enable pathways for your students, exercises are automatically released based on their level. As students complete activities, they earn points, climb the ranking board, hit weekly goals, and unlock completion certificates. To enable pathways for a student, go to the account page and click on Students and Groups. Select the student you'd like to enable pathways for. Click on the Pathways tab, then click Enable Pathways. Now, set a weekly exercise goal for the student and choose the starting pathway. As the student progresses, new pathways will be unlocked automatically based on their current progress. You can browse all pathways to see an overview of the main content and skills covered in each one. After choosing the starting pathway and weekly goal, click Save. The student will find their pathways exercises directly on their exercises page. To monitor student progress, go to the Exercises page and click on Stats. You'll see a list of all students who have pathways enabled, along with their current progress. On this same page, you'll also find your student ranking board. This board displays each student's total score, combining points from assigned exercises, classroom exercises, and pathways exercises. Use the date range filter to view scores within a specific time frame.